In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use macros to quickly increase or decrease the line spacing of selected text in PowerPoint. Normally, changing line spacing in PowerPoint requires a few manual steps. But with the help of these two custom buttons, you can easily adjust it with just one click, one button to increase the line spacing and another to decrease it. Please note that these macros only work when text is selected. So, make sure to select the text you want to modify before clicking the buttons. You can use these macros not only for regular text but also for lists and bullet points. I've included the macro code in the video description. You can copy and run it directly in PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment.